What's up guys, CC here. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're not new, Wagwan YouTube family, welcome back to another vlog. It's going to be a weekend vlog, so spend the weekend with me and let's see what all we get into this week. So it's Saturday, November, I think it's the 25th. And yeah, let's start my morning. Let's make some breakfast. I want to try something new. I want to try this avocado egg toast. Yeah, I love egg and I love avocado, so let's try it. Okay, let's make this toast. Of course, you need your eggs, you need avocado. I might need more than this. Okay, let's put the egg to boil. I'm going to use 2 eggs. Okay, we'll be back once the egg is done. I decided to do 3 eggs instead of 2. Normally crack the egg just to test it. She good. She good. Okay. And I have the bread here. I have some more avocado. I'm thinking I'm gonna cut this one too because it's going and I don't want to waste it. So I'm gonna use this one as well as the one that I have in the fridge, piece that I have in the fridge. This piece. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Toast the bread, put some mayo on it, and then this is the mashed, this is everything mixed together. Okay guys, all done. I did 2 different styles. Okay, so this one I toast in the air fryer with the cheese at the bottom, then I apply the avocado paste, avocado egg paste, and then avocado on top. And this one just has, I toast it and then I add mayo, and then I add the paste, then some cheese on top. I'm gonna enjoy these with a glass of water, and that's breakfast. Yummy. Hey guys, I haven't checked back in with you in a while. It's evening time now. It's after 5 and I had to dash out to make a quick delivery, and the person worked at a jerk shop. Now I feel like I want chicken, but this is the bag that they get me. So yeah guys, as I was saying, this is the diaper bag that she's getting. This is the one that could pull out into a bed. It's pretty noisy out here, but yeah, she worked at a Jamaican jerk shop. Now I feel like I want some Jamaican jerk chicken. Like I want some jerk chicken, but yeah. Put this back there. thank God for this sale. She got a diaper bag and a bottle warmer. That's $80. But this is like a crazy area. I need to hurry up and leave from here. Like, it's hectic. Okay guys, I'm back home after the delivery. And I didn't buy any food. I came home. I'm gonna eat my food later. I still have Thanksgiving food left over that I'm gonna eat. Yes, I'm still gonna eat it. It's Saturday, but it getting eat. Okay, because I'm not cooking. I'll cook tomorrow. But let me show you what else I've been up to all day. I've been making these gift packages. This is what I've been up to earlier today, making these gift packages. So this is one for boy. I'm gonna get the sticker and put it on this one for the girl. This was a bigger one that I started to make, but I just removed the bottle warmer from this one because I just sold it. Yes, I gotta find something else to put in that before I could close it up. But yeah, trying to be productive, you know. And this is the size gift packages that they normally purchase, so I just make them in advance. And so when they order, I could just grab one and go. These are for $35. They were for $30, but I increased the price because I add something else to it. And yeah, so that's what I've been doing. Gift package. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be juicing and I'm trying a new recipe. I'm going to be using oranges, apple, carrot, ginger and lime. That's all we're going to be using for today's juice. Let's start juicing. We are sit the Henny for the day, baby. Bad man, we must play, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time, Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell for you. Everyone's falling love sometimes. I don't know why you believe in a crowd. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you till the morning, okay guys, so I'm done juicing and it's cleanup time. That's the worst part of juicing. But every juicer you still gotta clean up, right? So this is all this looks. And then I have this bag here. I'm just gonna dump it in. Yep, that's the orange. Because initially I was gonna peel the orange. I was gonna squeeze the orange juice into the thing once I finish juicing. Then I look it up and I'm like, you know what? I could peel the orange and just drop the whole thing in it. So that's what I did. Okay, I have this brush. Brush that came with the juicer. Where did I put it? Okay. Yeah, this comes with the juicer. I basically use it to clean up these areas. So you see yeah, definitely works. So let me do this and I'll be back, guys. This could come out, right? Yeah, see? That's how it looks. So this could come out too. Yeah, I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna clean up. Okay guys, it's a few hours later and the rice is done. Yeah, the rice is done. Came out good, so I think I like this method better. And the meat seasoned. We're about to put this in the oven. Yeah. So just gonna stick this in the oven real quick. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I'll show you guys the finished product later. I'm not sure what I'm doing for sides as yet. Maybe potato, mashed potato, or potato salad. Yummy.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, it's much later and everything is done, so I'm going to share some food and eat and watch a movie. Okay guys, it's a few hours later. I already ate. I'm gonna do some popcorn and watch my movie. Already put one in the microwave.
Proving fraud consists of